Hello everyone, so we continue to couple more edits from this shoot, and this editing for the video coming up in the BTS. So I'm just gonna record what I'm gonna edit here. So I'm gonna add some contrast and increase the light a little bit more for this one. Okay, so when I'm changing the alignment, and this one I'm just going to go directly to the edit for the portraiture 3, and let me see. Okay, okay, so once it's done, I'm gonna copy the setting and then paste it to here, so it's a little bit brighter, and I'm gonna reduce the yellow in this photo. So for this one, so this line is nice for the alignment in here, and because the eyes gazing to this side, I can leave more room to here. But this switch right here is a little bit distracting to me. What I'm gonna do is just remove that switch a little bit. So let's see what we can do. What I'm gonna do is just to try out, patch this whole thing here, and then slightly adjust. So, and then I'm gonna patch the edge right here, so that it is not really obvious for the still a little bit of the light right here. Okay, so next I'm gonna smooth it out after the patch, so it looks disappear, and less is more for me. And then let me smooth the face a little bit. In this one, I want to soften the skin in here. Okay, so increase the contrast, so this looks pretty good to me. Let me do another portraiture 3 edit. By default, you already select the skin nicely because of the tone of the skin. So once it's finished, I'm gonna export it out, and it's not very obvious here at all. So okay, so next one, let me see what other style right here. Okay, I like this one. I'm gonna add more light to it, but first tilt it back to more straight. And this one I can use 4x5 Instagram crop. When you look at here, you can see the nice composition. Just adjust the composition based on here, and what you can do here is increase the light a little bit, but not too much to be too bright. So I can just decrease here, and the yellow warm is good too, so I'm just retain a little bit of the yellow, and then the shadow I'm gonna get a little bit more shadow in this area right here so that it's clear. Okay, so just patch a little bit of detail right here. Okay. Just patch a little bit of detail, and then I'm thinking what's the best light for this portrait. I want this one to be bright to match the color of here, so I think this is good, and later I can get it more moody in the final edit in my iPhone also. So but overall here is good, and this edge I can crop it later on also because it's just a little bit right there on the right edge. So let me finish this one first. Okay, so crop the edge out. Okay, so I did crop the edge, and maybe slightly a little bit more light here. Okay, so that's it. Export it out. Next one I'm gonna do is a red dress. So I'm gonna copy couple edit here also. So let me try this one. First I'm gonna patch a little bit of the detail right here. Just some small detail just to patch it out. Okay, that's good, and overall lighting is good. I'm gonna remove the highlight, increase the shadow, and the green leaves reduce the saturation of the green. Okay, so this is good, and slightly rotate. This one is fine, it's not too obvious. If you want to patch, it's fine too, but there's a basket right here. I'm just gonna leave it for now, and maybe a little bit shadow after I see the photo. I'm just add a little bit more shadow in the front area. Yeah, so just a little bit shadow, and then increase the light. Okay, so this is good, and then edit the portraiture 3. Cool. So let me export this one and then copy the edit to one of the photo right here, and add a little bit more shadow in front. so that's good. Slightly. Okay, I'm gonna leave the room in the back and then just some more room to lead the viewer to the portrait. So just gonna leave it like that, and then do a portrait 3 edit. Okay, so once it finish, so I'm gonna edit this one. What I'm gonna do is these two switches, just gonna remove that out. And then smooth it out a little bit from the side. Increase the shadow. Okay, so this is good. Slightly adjust the cropping. This black line right here is still distracting me. I'm just gonna crop it down to see what's going on. And if not, I can use just the 4x5 crop. So that it's just more focus on the portrait itself. So it has less distraction of the black line right there. And let me see where I can reduce the. Okay, so that's good. I'm gonna add slightly a little bit more shadow, maybe just subtle. I don't want to be too strong on the face. Okay. Increase the contrast. Okay, so portraiture 3 and then edit. Okay, so that's the final edit, and I will have more coming up. I have some more to edit before I can put these photos into the BTS. Just for I have some more shots right here. So stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.